Welcome to Come Nurses YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about some model questions and answers. First question is, tics occurs most often in which age group? Option A, infants. Option B, toddlers. Option C, preschoolers. Option D, school children. The answer is option D, school children. Second question is, for infants, site for intramuscular injection is option A, deltoid muscle, option B, posterior gluteal muscle, option C, vastus lateralis muscle, option D, all the above. The correct answer is option C, vastus lateralis muscle. Third question, most common site of peptic ulcer is option A, lesser curvature, option B, fundus, option C, duodenum, option D, antrum. The correct answer is option C, duodenum. Fourth question, average length of human spinal cord is option A 45 centimeters, option B 30 centimeters, option C 75 centimeters, option D 60 centimeters. The correct answer is option A 45 centimeters. Fifth question, which of the following is a DNA virus? Option A hepatitis A, option B hepatitis B, option C hepatitis C, option D hepatitis B. The correct answer is option B, hepatitis B virus. Sixth question, the inborn all-round mental efficiency is called option A, intelligence, option B, personality, option C, aptitude, option D, learning. The correct answer is option A, intelligence. Seventh question, marriage practice within the group is called option A, exogamy, option B, polygamy, option C, monogamy, option D, endogamy. The correct answer is option D, endogamy. Eighth question, selecting a portion of the population to represent the entire population in a research activity is called option A, sampling, option B, variable, option C, probability, option D, statistics. The correct answer is option A, sampling. Ninth question, the process by which the individual learns to conform to the norms of group is option A, social stratification, option B, socialization, option C, social control, option D, social change. The correct answer is option B, socialization. 10th question, World Breastfeeding Week is option A, June 1 to 7, option B, August 1 to 7, option C, July 8 to 14, option D, September 8 to 14. The correct answer is August 1 to 7. 11th question, which among the following artery is not involved in the forming of circle of Willis? Option A, anterior cerebral artery, option B, posterior communicating artery, option C, anterior communicating artery, option D, posterior cerebellar artery. The answer is option D, posterior cerebellar artery. 12th question, the mental mechanism in which the person is justifying his idea or behavior is option A, projection, option B, compensation, option C, identification, Option D, rationalization. The correct answer is option D, rationalization. 13th question. Incubation period of chickenpox is option A 10 to 21 days, option B 2 to 3 days, option C 21 to 45 days, option D 15 to 30 days. The correct answer is option A 10 to 21 days. 14th question. Normal value of serum potassium is option A 6 to 7.5 milliequivalent per liter, option B 3.5 to 5 milliequivalent per liter, option C 8.5 to 10 milliequivalent per liter, option D 10.5 to 13 milliequivalent per liter. The correct answer is option B 3.5 to 5 milliequivalent per liter. 15th question. Average blood loss in a normal menstrual cycle is option A 250 to 500 ml, option B 50 to 100 ml, option C 30 to 50 ml, option D 100 to 150 ml. The correct answer is 50 to 100 ml. Thank you.